Okay, let's talk about subject biology and its curriculum. Features of the curriculum of subject biology in the framework of the updated content of education. Spiral principle of the subject. A hierarchy of learning objectives based on the laws of cognition and classified according to the most important types of the subject operation. Careful goal setting of the subject by levels of education and thought out the entire course of study, which makes it possible to make into account intra-subject connection as clearly as possible. Correspondence of the content of sections and topics of contemporary subject, emphasis of the formation of socialization skills. School children acquire initial knowledge about biological concepts and terms in the primary grades and deep in grades 5 and 6 in the course of studying the subject natural science. The knowledge gained in the subject natural science is expanded in the introductory course of biology in grade 7 with a dependent and consolidation in grades 8 and 9. So let's consider the systematic formation of biological knowledge connecting with plants and plant kingdom from grade 1st to 9. School children have to, for example, for the first grade, determine the characteristic of plants and their life forms. Second grade, explore the possibility of plants' growth in various conditions. Third grade, explain the release of oxygen by plants during photosynthesis. Fourth grade, determine the role of plants in the food chains. Fifth grade, identify the component of the ecosystem, and sixth grade, graphically represent and explain the relationship of ecosystem components. The next grade with biological science, with the subject of biology. Seventh grade, compare natural food chains. Eighth grade, compare aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. And last grade of secondary school compares the pyramids of abundance, biomass, and energy. The goal of teaching biology is to form a system of knowledge among school children about the diversity of the organic world, patterns and processes occurring in it. The formation of a conclusion, understanding that the person is an integral part of it. Objectives of the subject biology. First, the formation of a system of knowledge about the structural, functional, and genetic foundation of life, reproduction and development of organisms of the main kingdom of living nature, ecosystems, biodiversity, evolution, for realizing the value of all life on the earth as a plant. Second, the formation of norms and rules of environmental ethics, a responsible attitude to wildlife. Third, the formation of genetic literacy, the basis of the healthy lifestyle, preservation of mental, physical, and moral health of a person. And last, development of the student's personality, fostering the desire to apply biological knowledge in practice, to practice in practical achievements in the field of medicine, agriculture, biotechnology, rational use of natural resources, and nature protection. The volume of academic load on the subject biology is in grade 7, 2 hours a week, in grade 8, 2 hours a week, and in grade 9, also 2 hours a week, or in another word, 68 hours a school year, from the 7 to 9 classes or grades. The content of the curriculum for the academic subject biology is organized by section of study. Sections are made up of subsections that contain learning objectives in terms of expanded outcomes by grade or class. The content of academic subject biology includes 4 sections. First, diversity, structure, and functions of living organisms. Second, reproduction, heredity, variability, evolutionary development. Third, organisms and the environment. And last, applied integrated sciences. We will consider all 4 sections in more detail in the following modules of this course.